Do not worry about your difficulties in mathematics. I can assure your mind are still greater. With this mathematical thought, this is Miss Anupama welcoming you all on Miss Anupama's channel. So my dear students, today this video and this session is meant for you, for standard 4 students, and today we are going to learn about maths subject, and the topic which we are going to learn today is comparing numbers. Okay, what we are going to learn? Comparing numbers. Now, just in a brief, tell me what is the meaning of comparing. Okay, comparing का मतलब होता है तुलना करना. Okay, now we have to compare. If any two things are given, or if any two person, any two things, any two numbers are given, and it is asked that which is the greater or which is the smaller, which is a more brighter, okay, or which is more taller, shorter, like this, the comparison. उसके दो चीज़ों के बीच में, दो numbers के बीच में, दो व्यक्तियों के बीच में जो अपन तुलना करके जो एंड रिजल्ट पर आते हैं, that is called comparing. Okay, comparison or comparing. Now here in this exercise or in this topic, we are going to compare the given numbers, that a greater one and the smaller one. Okay, greater than and the smaller than numbers we are going to compare. So two numbers are given here. For example, exercise is given, in that 6 sums are given, two numbers are given, we have to compare it. Okay, we have to compare it, which is the greater and which is the smaller. Now first of all, I am going to tell you two rules of comparing numbers. Now first, when the given number is given to you, okay, now comparing numbers, in that what we are going to see is that greater than and smaller than numbers we are going to see. Now for example, first rule, okay, the first rule, what you have to do, first you have to see the given number, what is given. Now for example, okay, now we'll take 3246. This is one number, and the another number like 8999. First, what you have to see when you are comparing the given number, which is greater and which is smaller, what you have to do, first you have to count the given digits. Okay, now for example, here 1 2 3 4 digits are given. How many digits? 4 digits, that is units, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, so 4 digits means thousands. 4 digits means what, my dear students? It is thousand. And here units, tens and hundreds. So 1, 2 and 3. Here 3 digit, 4 digit and 3 digit. Okay, first when the number is given to you, to find out and to compare the numbers, first rule, very first rule, what you have to do, you have to see the number, you have to count the number given. Now here it is 4 digit number and 3 digit number. The first thing which you got, first answer which you got is here is that 4 is greater than 3, and then you have to see the place values. Now here thousands place value is 100 place values. Okay, so like place values also counts when you compare the comparison. When you do the comparison, that time place values also plays a very important role. Now here 4 digit and 3 digit, that means 4 digit number is always greater than 3. Understood, students? Now you can see here number 4 means, that is digit 4 is greater than digit 3. So here 3000, this is 3246, which is a 4 digit number, is greater than 899. Okay, so this is 3 digit number, this 4 digit number. So 4 digit number is always greater than 3 digit number. So 3246 is greater than 899. Understood? This is the first rule. Okay. Now one more thing I wanted to tell you, my dear students. Many of the students, they get confused in this sign of greater, and this is the sign of smaller. How to remember this? Now see here, these are the 2 points. Okay, here 1 point, here, like this. Okay, so always remember the open end. Okay, this is the open space of this sign, which is wider, means this side is the greater sign. Okay, greater sign is this side, and smaller like this side. Okay, here only 1 point. Okay, so which is the side which is having a smaller end. Okay, smaller end, then this sign is a smaller sign and this sign is a greater sign. Now please don't confuse in these two signs. Most of them, whenever we tell them to tell the number which is greater and smaller, they use the wrong signs over there. Okay, so please remember this. The open, you have to see the space which is greater. Okay, which is greater. Okay, you can remember this sign is a greater sign. Okay, you can see this is a greater sign. Now this sign, this side is a small. Okay, so this is a smaller sign, this is a greater sign. Always remember. Okay, like this. So the more the space which is more open, then it is a greater sign. Understood? Now the second rule I will explain you. Understood the first one? Okay, my dear students, now we'll go with the second rule of the comparing numbers. Now second rule says that now if the same digit numbers are given to you. Now for example, we'll write 5863, and here we'll take another number as 5000. Okay, 982. Okay, now when this like this numbers are given to you, then how you have to going to do the comparison? Okay, how you are going to say which is the greater and which is the smaller number? So here first you have to see the place values. Okay, so unit, tens, hundreds and thousand. Here also units, tens, hundreds and thousand, means both the numbers are 4-digit numbers. Okay, both the numbers are having 4 digits. Okay, so first what you have to do, compare the first number. Okay, first digit, not number, first digit you have to compare. Now here is also 5 and here is also 5. Okay, so 5 and 5. Now what will be the next step? Then you have to see the second digit, my dear students. Now here it is 8. Okay, but here the second digit in the next number is given as 9. Okay, now 8 and 9. Okay, then understand, make the difference, make the comparison. 9 is greater than 8. Understood? 9 is greater than 8. So there only you have to stop and you have to come to the conclusion that this number, okay, here the number which is given is a greater than this number. First read the number. Okay, it is 5863. Second number is 5982. Okay, 5000 and 5000. Then you have to see the place values. Okay, the digit which is in hundreds place, that is 8 and 9. So here it is 9 and here it is 8. So come to the conclusion that 9 is greater than 8. Then note down the whole number, that is 63 and 82. But here this 9 is greater than 8. Okay, understood? So it's a hundreds place, but 9 is greater than 8. Then so 5982 is greater than 5863. Understood? So it is greater. So greater sign always. Okay, this is the greater sign. This is greater than this, or you can say 5863 is greater than 5982. Understood the difference, my dear students? Are you getting my point? 5,982 is greater than 5,863. Okay, we'll start with the exercise. Students, now we'll start with our exercise, and exercise says that complete the following table. The table is given to you and you have to complete it, and the numbers are given. Two numbers are given to you, smaller and bigger, and all the numbers are 4-digit number. Here only one is a 3-digit number. We'll see that. Okay, so 4-digit numbers means already the 4-digit numbers are there, so there is no need for you to see the first digit. Now what you have to see? Yes, first number you have to see, that is thousands place value. Thousands place value. Now very easily you can make it that 1968 is smaller than 2123. Why? Because 1 is a smaller than, okay, 1 is smaller than 2. So that time what you have to do? Straight away you have to write the smaller number. Compare only the thousands place. Okay, now here 1968 is smaller number and 2123 is the bigger number from the given two numbers. Okay, so we have compared here what? The thousands place value. Okay, the thousands place value. Understood? Now the second sum, but here you have to be really very careful. Okay, they seems to be very easy, but you have to be very careful when you are comparing the given numbers. Now here, my dear students, see the first digit is 2. Okay, it's a 4-digit numbers, but the digits are same. Okay, 2 and 2. Then what you have to do? You have to check the second digit. Okay, that is the hundreds place. Now here 3 and here 4. So it is understood that 3 is smaller than 4. So 2342 is smaller than 2423. Understood? It is 2342 number is smaller. It is 2342 is smaller than 2423 is the bigger number. Understood? Now the third sum. Here also, now here little difference are given. Okay, it's a 4-digit. 9542, 9549. So here, my dear students, here a twist is there. Okay, that is 9 same digit, 5 second digit is also the same, that 100 place, then tens place is also the same. Okay, 4 and 4. Now the remaining is what? Units place value. So you have to check the last digit, that is 2 and 9. So you are going to see the difference between 2 and 9. So my dear students, 2 is a smaller number and 9 is a greater number. So what you have to do? This number, that is 9542, is a smaller number than 9549. Got it, my dear students? Yes. Okay. So 9542 is the smaller number and 9549 is the greater number. Is that clear, my dear students? Now see the fourth sum, my dear students. Fourth sum. Now here there is a difference because here 4 digits and here only the 3 digits. So it's a natural, it's a very common. Okay, that is 3 digit is always a smaller number than the 4-digit number. So straight away you can write that 999 is smaller than 9999. Okay, so 999 is a smaller number and 9999 is the greatest number. Okay, it's a bigger number. So from the given number, 4 digit is always a bigger number and 3-digit number is a smaller number. Understood? Yes. Now the fifth sum, my dear students. Here also you have to see, first you have to count the digits. Now here 4 digit and 4 digit. Understood? Then you have to compare the thousands place value. Okay, see the difference. Now here 6 is given in the thousands place value and here 8. So compare them. Which is the smaller and which is the greater? Bigger number. 6 is a smaller number than 8. 8 is a bigger number than 6. So 6070 is a smaller number. 6070 is a smaller number and 8079 is a bigger number. Understood? Yes. Now the last sum of this exercise, and that is 5978. Okay, and 7539. So here also 4 digit and 4 digits. Now what you have to see? You have to check, you have to compare the thousands place value. Here 5 is given, here 7 is given. So now which number is smaller and which number is greater? So 5978 is smaller than 7539. Okay, this is a smaller number and this is a bigger number. Okay, so 5978 is a smaller number and 7539 is a bigger number from the given two numbers. Understood? So always keep the steps how you have to compare the numbers. I told you it is easy, but bit you have to be careful. Okay, when you are comparing the numbers, little alertness and your carefulness is very important, my dear students. So please do practice the sums, okay, again and again, and understand it carefully. Okay, so thank you for watching my videos, and do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notification of my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you.